On today's video, I'm going to show you a free traffic method that you can use to make money on Digistore24 for free. So you don't need to pay for any traffic. You don't need any special skills to do this. You don't need any experience. You can do this as a beginner. So I'm going to take you through step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see right here, this is one of the strategies that I have used to earn up to $52,897.13. So this is a simple strategy that you can also follow step by step so that you can earn money with affiliate marketing. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to the marketplace so that we can find a product to promote. So we are going to come right here, just click on the marketplace. So once you click on the marketplace, these are categories. So each of these categories has a product that you can promote. So on this video, I'm going to show you a specific category that you can find a good product to promote. So this product, it is very easy to get traffic for it and the commission rate is very high. So the category that we are going to be using in this video is business and investment. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, you can see there are products here that are going to pay you high commission when you promote them. As you can see, this product here, crypto quantum leak. So this product, you are going to earn 50% commission, and you can see that the commission is $429.18. So if you are able to make up to 2 sales per day or 1 sales per day, you can still earn money online. So this is a good product that you can promote to earn money. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, click on the sales page so that you can look at how the product landing page looks like, so that you can begin to promote it. So once you click on the sales page, you can see the information here. This is the first page that the customers are going to see before they buy the product. You can see that the landing page has a lot of text. As you can see, different text here. So the customer has to read through all these texts, and if the product is worth buying, the customer will buy the product and you are going to be earning a commission. As you can see, different images. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. This is one of the products that you can promote on Digistore24 to make money. As you can see, a whole lot of different information. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting this product. So we are going to be using free traffic, and what we are going to do is that we are going to turn this particular sales page to a PDF document whereby we can give it away and then attract traffic to our affiliate link. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for web page to PDF. So once you search for that, you are going to find a whole lot of different websites that can turn your web page to a PDF document. So you can select the first one, and you can see there are a lot of them. So we are going to select the first one in this video. So you just click on that. So once you click on web to PDF document, you are going to see a page like this. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the link of the web page and then paste it here. In this case, is the product landing page. So you are going to copy and paste the link to the product landing page here. So when you come back to the landing page, you can see this is the link. So you are going to highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to web to PDF. Once you come here, you are going to paste the link here. Just click on convert so that the website can turn the web page to a PDF document. So as you can see, the process is going on here. As you can see it right here. So as you can see, it has been converted. So now we are going to download it onto our PC. So as you can see, this is where you are going to click so that you can download it to your PC. So you just click on download, and you are going to download the document onto your PC. As you can see, it is downloading right here. As you can see here, the download is complete. And what we are going to do is that we are now going to open it so that we can see how it looks like. So when you come to downloads, you can see this is the document. So we are going to open it so that we can check the information inside. As you can see, this is the document. You can see that it looks nice. You can see that it has 22 pages. So this is a great PDF document that you can share with others and get their attention to the main product. So the next thing is that we are going to insert our affiliate links into this particular document, so that we can then share it with others. So what you are going to do is that you are going to search for seda.com. So just search for that. Once you see a page like this, you are going to click on the first website here, seda.com. This is a website that helps you to edit PDF files. So you can upload the document here and then edit it so that you can insert your affiliate links into the book. So you are just going to click on the first website here, seda.com. So once you click on the website seda.com, you are going to see a page like this. So you don't need to create an account. You can just upload your PDF document and you can start editing. So you are going to click here, edit a PDF document. Once you click on that, you are going to click on upload PDF file. Once you click on upload PDF file, you are going to see a page like this, and this is the PDF file. So you are going to select it, click on open. As you can see, the PDF document has been uploaded. So let me scroll down for you to see, so you can see everything. It has been uploaded. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add your affiliate link right here, so that any person who read this ebook will click on that link and then visit the main product. So when they make a purchase, you can then earn a commission. So you are going to type a text here and then highlight the text so that you can insert your affiliate link. So for example, you can see it is on text now, so you just click on text. So once you click on text, you are going to see a text box here. So here you are going to delete the text and then type your call to action here. So you just type something like click here for more information. So just something like this, click here for more information. Once you type a call to action like this, the next thing is that you are going to set your affiliate link here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, links. Once you click on links, you are going to highlight the text so that you can insert your affiliate link here. So you are going to highlight all this text. So you are going to highlight it. Let me highlight it well. So let me drag it down and then highlight it properly. So this text is highlighted. So now what you are going to do is that you are just going to click on the text. Once you click on the text, you are going to see a page like this, and here you are going to delete this particular website and then insert your affiliate link here. So you are going to delete it. Once you delete it, you are going to head back to Digistore24 so that you can grab your affiliate link and then paste it here. So once you come to Digistore24, you are going to copy your affiliate link here. If you have never promoted a product on Digistore24, you are going to see promote. But I have promoted this product, that's why you are not seeing promote here. So let me scroll down to show you. So as you can see, promote now. So if you are new, you are going to see a button like this, and what you are going to do is that you're going to click on it. But I have promoted the product, so there's nothing like that. What I just need to do is that just right click and then copy the affiliate link. Once you copy the affiliate link, you are going to go back to your document, and here you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, you are just going to press on enter, and the text has been linked to your affiliate link. So as you can see right here, let me show you the text. So as you can see, this text is now linked to your affiliate link. As you can see, Digistore24 link right on top of this particular text. So that is not all. You are going to scroll down. Any call to action that you find in this particular document, you are going to highlight it and then insert your affiliate link into it. For example, you can see that this particular text looks like a call to action, and what you are going to do is that you're going to click on links. Once you click on link, you are going to highlight the text. So let's highlight it. Let me highlight it and show you what to do. So you're going to highlight the whole of this text. So let's highlight it downwards. So as you can see, once you highlight the text, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to delete this particular link, and then you are going to insert your affiliate link here. Once you insert it, you are just going to press on enter, and the text has been linked to your affiliate link. So you are going to continue this process. As I scroll through the documents, you can see different call to actions. You have to make sure that you insert your link almost everywhere in the document so that you can get the attention of the reader to click through your affiliate link. So as you can see, different images. So you are going to scroll down to the bottom of this document. There are call to action there, so you are going to insert. You can see another one here. So as I scroll, you can see many call to action that you need to insert your affiliate link. So it's very important for you to insert your affiliate link where it is necessary. So don't over insert your affiliate links whereby the reader will get annoyed with the link. So you don't have to insert unnecessary call to action. You have to insert it where it is appropriate so that it will look professional to the reader. So as you can see here, there's a call to action here, and what you are going to do is that you are going to edit this particular link. So this is not our affiliate link, so we are going to edit it and then insert ours here. So we are going to delete it and then insert our affiliate link. So you can see my name here, Jacob Akal. As you can see right here, that is my affiliate link. So once you insert your affiliate link, just click on enter, and this particular text is now linked to my affiliate link. Once you insert your links in the document, the next thing is that you are going to click on apply changes, and your links are going to be on the PDF document. So you are going to click on that apply changes. So as you can see, once you click on apply changes, you can download your document and you are going to begin sharing once you download it. So as I scroll, you can see this is the preview of the document. It is still loading. Let's wait for it. As you can see, this is the preview of the document. So let me scroll this side for you to see. You can see everything. So let me show you. You can see everything. Let me scroll upwards to see our first call to action. You can see the first call to action here. So when you click on this particular call to action, you are going to be redirected to the affiliate products. So as you can see it here, so all the links are in the book. So now what you need to do is that you are going to come here, click on download, so that you can save this document onto your PC. So you click on download. So as you can see, it is downloading right here and it's going to be saved onto my PC. As you can see, it is downloading here. Now the download is complete. The most important step is that we are now going to share this document to people so that we can get them to click through our affiliate link. I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to share this document to a lot of people worldwide. So we are going to share it on this particular website, Pdfslide.com. So make sure you keep on watching because I have another website that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you two websites. Pdfslide, this is a very popular website that you can share your document for free. You can see they have ads and photos. You can see automotive, business, career, you can see design, education, high tech. When you click on browse, there are many other categories. So when you come here, you can see that this document got 66,954 views. You can see 30,998 views. You can see 22,703 views. So this is a very good traffic source that you can use to share your PDF document, and you are going to get a lot of people to read it. Some are going to download it and then read it. So as they read it, they are going to click through your affiliate links. As you can see on SimilarWeb, you can see that it gets over 1 million views every month. You can see in the month of January, it got 1.7 million views. You can see on the month of February, it got 1.5 million views. You can see on March, it got 1.3 million views. So this website is one of the platforms that you can share your PDF document. You are going to get people to download it and then take action. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create an account. So once you create an account, you can upload your file. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you. So let me log in to show you. So once you log into your account, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you're going to come here, just click on your dashboard. Once you click on your dashboard, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to begin uploading your document here. So you are going to come here, upload file, so that you can begin uploading your document. So once you click on upload file, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to type the name of your file here. So that is the name of your PDF document. So when you come to the landing page, you can see how to get rich with Bitcoin. So that will be our title. So you are going to copy that. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to Pdfslide and you are going to paste that as your file name. So that is done. So the next thing is that you are going to select the category. So you just click on it. Once you click on category, you can see different categories that you can select. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the business category. So this is about business. So let's scroll down. You can see, so you are going to select business. So once you select business, the next thing is that you are going to tag your ebook so that people can find it when they search for certain keywords on Pdfslide. This is about cryptocurrency, so you are going to type that. So cryptocurrency. So you just click on comma. Once you click on comma, that tag has been added. So the next thing is that you're going to type something like business. That is done. So you can add another tag like make money online, and then that is done. You can see how to get rich online. So you can add many tags that you want. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to also add a description of your document. So you can come back to your landing page. Once you come to your landing page, you are going to copy part of this. So you just copy part of this, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to Pdfslide, and here you are going to paste it here. So once you paste it, you are going to type something like more information in the book. So just like this, you are going to leave it as this. So this is your description. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down, and here you are going to upload the main PDF file. So just click on it so that you can upload your file onto Pdfslide. So just click on this box. Once you click on that, you are going to select your PDF file. So once you select it, just click on open, and it's going to be uploaded onto this particular website. So as you can see, it is uploading right now. Now it has been uploaded, as you can see. So the next thing is that we are going to submit it to this website, and there's no approval. Once we submit it, it's going to go live onto this particular website. So you just click on submit, and your PDF document is going to be live on this website. You can see uploaded successfully. So that is it. You don't need to do anything. This document is going to remain on this platform forever. So you are going to be getting people who will be reading it, who will be downloading it, and once they read the book, they are going to see your affiliate links, and once they click through them and then take action, you are going to be earning money. So there is another website that works like this. You can also upload this particular same PDF document onto that website, which will equally generate you a lot of traffic. So this is the website that you can equally upload your book for free. You can see epdf.tips. You can see write a book and publish PDF free downloads. You can just come here, sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to upload the book here, and then people are going to also see it. Once they see and read the book, they are also going to take action. So as you can see, a lot of different books on this particular website. You can see many of them. So you are also going to create an account and then upload your book here for free. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.